Hello, you're watching Plant Revelations. It's a bit of a gloomy day today, but we have a delivery to lift our spirits. So that's quite exciting. It's a delivery from Millais Nurseries, who are a specialist nursery in rhododendrons. Rhododendrons, some people think they're a bit old-fashioned and sort of people, but I think they're a bit like roses and dahlias. There's normally one for everyone. So I've definitely got some rhododendrons in here, and I've also got some really rare Mahonias. The whole order cost me about £126. I've never used these people before. Obviously, we're not sponsored because we don't have any subscribers or any viewers. So I just thought I'd show you what the stuff's like that's come. It's completely unbiased review. Now, this first plant I've got is something called Mahonia gracilipes. It has fantastic big long leaves. It will get about 1 metre to 1.5 metres. Yeah, it's really exciting, this one. It's usually very expensive, quite difficult to get a hold of. I think this one was about 15 quid for a 3-litre pot, from recollection. And it has these fantastic red flowers, whereas most Mahonias will get yellow flowers, some will get creamy flowers. So that's that one. Another one I've got, another Mahonia in this first box, is Mahonia lomariifolia. I'll have to show you a close-up of this one. It's Mahonia oiwakensis subspecies lomariifolia, and it has very, very fine pinnate leaves. It really is quite beautiful, and when it gets bigger, although the flowers are quite similar to something like a charity or winter sun, for example, this really fine cut leaf really does make it look architectural and quite stunning. So I'm really pleased to have both of these. This one's not quite as hardy as some of the other Mahonias, but it's still pretty tough, down to sort of -10. But yeah, really pleased with these. They both look very healthy, because I have ordered these before from another nursery that I won't mention, and they pretty much came dead, which was a shame. But yes, really pleased with those. So I'm going to open up the other box now. Oh. This is box number 2. Oh. As you can see, it's a bit of a tight squeeze in this glass house. So I clearly didn't need to order any more plants, but you've got to treat yourself sometimes, haven't you? This is box number 2. So this must have all the rhododendrons in that I ordered. Probably not as well packed as the other one. All they've got is a cane to hold them in place. So if I was going to be super critical, I would say they could have had a little bit of extra packing in with them to stop them from rattling around. Bear with me. Right, here we go. So these look pretty healthy to me. So in here, we've got 2 types of rhododendron. The first one, this one, which I've got 3 of, and these are really, I'm really impressed with these. These are really healthy. It's a rhododendron, I'm going to have to butcher this name, Loderi King George. Now this has huge white and pink flowers. They are massive, like the size of my hand, each individual flower on a big bunch. And they have these lovely big exotic leaves. And I've got one of these for me, but I think these are going to be a real hit with some of my clients as well. So I've ordered 3, because I think I could use a couple in designs, because they're going to be really architectural. They're going to be really, because these are going to be really architectural. I mean, I'll do a close-up of this for you, so you can see these stunning leaves. I do like my big leaf rhododendrons. And then this last one here, which has a much smaller leaf, but it's still very interesting. As you can see, it's got this amazing brown underside to the leaf. This is Rhododendron arboreum, cinnamomeum, Everest Reunion. So Rhododendron arboreum, as the name suggests, arboreum, arborist, is a tree, and it will get, in some cases it will get, normally it's about 30 to 40 foot in height, and it can get taller. So it makes a spectacular tree eventually. It's very slow growing, but I thought that was quite nice. And normally Rhododendron arboreum will have blood red flowers, but this one has really nice dark pink flowers. So yeah, this will make a stunning tree eventually, as opposed to a bush. So two very different rhododendrons there. Now these weren't cheap. These were, I think the Loderiums were like £20. This one might have been like nearly 30. And like I say, the whole lot was £126 altogether. Rhododendrons are normally either grafted, grown from seed. They might do air cuttings, or they might do layering, air layering, I should say. All of those processes are incredibly slow. They're renowned for being very slow rooting, and these are quite rare varieties as well. So this is why they're so expensive. But I think, for what I've got here, I think this is really good value. I think a plant like that would cost you a lot of money at a nursery or a garden centre, 30 or 40 quid, I should think. And I've got, so just those three alone, I would expect to pay about £120 at a garden centre. And then I've got another 3 plants on top of that. So I'm really pleased with that. And my only criticism would be they could put a little bit more wadding in with the packaging. Maybe a couple more canes, but I mean, they've arrived totally fine. So maybe I'm unjust with those criticisms. So yeah, a Millais Nurseries. If you fancy something a bit different, or like a really fancy rhododendron or a rare Mahonia, they do other stuff as well, camellias, etc. Give them a go. Like I say, this video is not sponsored, and if you have a bad experience, I'm not being responsible for that, but I've certainly had a good one. So thanks for watching. Hope you found the video interesting. I don't do many unboxings, but I do them occasionally. Got lots of other interesting videos to look at, so please like and subscribe. Ciao, ciao for now.